Welcome to the GI Endoscopy Author Interview Series. I'm Dr. Neal Kaushal from the University of California at Irvine Medical Center. Thanks for watching. In this issue of GI Endoscopy, I authored a manuscript entitled Using Efficiency Analysis and Targeted Intervention to Improve Operational Performance and Achieve Cost Savings in the Endoscopy Center. In recent years, the demand for endoscopic services has increased dramatically. This is due to many factors, everything from increased awareness among the general public for colon cancer screening, to new and improved technologies in endoscopic ultrasound, ERCP, and therapeutic endoscopy. At the same time that these advancements are being made in clinical gastroenterology, a new reality has presented itself to gastroenterologists. The healthcare landscape is changing, and it is changing rapidly. As part of this change, there is a newfound emphasis on high-value, cost-conscious care and reducing overhead costs while still delivering high-quality medical care. The endoscopy unit is one of the highest sources of costs within the field of gastroenterology, and management of these units often presents significant challenges to the healthcare system. This brings us to one central question. How do we best deploy our resources to provide quality, efficient, and cost-effective endoscopic services? The answer to this question is multifaceted, but one of the solutions lies in managing efficient endoscopy units. In this work, we published a methodology for evaluating efficiency and performing targeted operational interventions in the endoscopy center in order to increase efficiency and reduce costs. We also put together the largest publicly available endoscopy center database in existence, 2,248 patients undergoing a total of 2,713 procedures. We also developed a novel performance metric, True Completion Time, or TCT, which serves as a marker of endoscopic unit efficiency. TCT is the interval between scheduled procedure start time to endoscopy room exit time after completing a case. Finally, we actually implement interventions predicted by our methodology and demonstrate their success. Our methodology relies fundamentally on models and analysis rooted in the discipline of operations management, a field of study that plays a vital role in many different industries. This discipline provides the fundamental tools to model a complex workflow of multiple constrained resources in a production process to identify bottlenecks and areas of inefficiency. Interestingly, our results show that in our own institution, room turnover time had little to do with efficiency. Instead, by employing our unique methodology, we were able to identify our rate-limiting step as the common pre-procedure and recovery area of the endoscopy unit. Furthermore, we found that actually increasing room turnover time or holding it constant provided increased efficiency, and instead, optimizing the pre-procedure and recovery area was the key to increasing efficiency in our center. This result is in contrast with the conventional wisdom of minimizing room turnover time to increase utilization of the endoscopy rooms to increase volume. What is more important here, however, is not necessarily our solution to efficiency, but the manner in which we arrived at this solution. Our study serves as the first study to present not an institution-based solution, but a broader methodology to discover what factors drive efficiency in the endoscopy center. Our experiences in our own center provide further support for the notion that each center is different, but a data-driven approach and a rigorous process methodology can overcome these differences to identify unique constraints in each center. Our hope is that any endoscopy unit encountering efficiencies in workflow, whether in a large-scale tertiary medical center or a community ambulatory setting, can determine its own process flow and rate-limiting steps, calculate its own TCT, and implement interventions to increase efficiency. In this era of open science, we hope that this study will be a resource for others to draw their own conclusions about their own endoscopy labs, to instruct others on how to carry out such a study, and encourage both academic and community providers to release these kinds of data sets and analyses in the future so that they are available for others who may wish to take advantage of them. Bringing openness to the process of evaluating operational efficiency, both in terms of data and methodology, will be valuable for the GI community. Thanks again for watching this GI Endoscopy author interview series.